Hello everyone and welcome to today's assembly.
Hello!
Let's start with our song, reminding us we're looking in the Bible. Let's open the book.
Let's open the book and take a look. You never know just what you're gonna find. Let's open the book and take a look. Hurry, hurry, don't get left behind. Let's open the book and take a look. You never know just what you're gonna find. Let's open the book and take a look. Hurry, hurry, don't get left behind.
Today, we are going to hear one of Jesus' parables, which we've modernized a little bit for you. One man was only concerned about getting the job done cheaply and quickly. The other wanted the job done properly. Shall we see what happened?
Dude, what are you doing, man? Dude, that's a totally awesome hole, man.
I'm building an house.
Aren't houses supposed to go up, man? Are you building a house on the ground?
This is foundation, Chuck. You gotta go down before you build up, otherwise the whole thing will fall down.
Dude, I'm gonna build me a surfer's paradise next to the beach. Surf all day, barbecues every night. Awesome. Dude, that is totally it. Awesome. Dude, are you still building your house, man?
Better safe than sorry, Chuck. Strong foundations mean sturdy walls. Built to last, Chuck.
Why don't you chill out, man? Come over to my place. Sit by the beach with a smoothie. Relax, man.
Tougher offer, mate. But I've gotten a lot of work here, I thought I've done.
Welcome to the BBC weather. Today was sunny and dry with low humidity and bright spells. Tomorrow this cold front is coming in from the Atlantic, bringing thunder, lightning, hail, snow, persistent rain, flooding and gale force winds. In between gales there may be fog patches. If you're thinking of going out, don't.
Man, think of the waves. Awesome surfing tomorrow. Dude, that was awesome! Wait, I left my house here somewhere. No way! I spent 5 whole days on that house, man. Totally devastating.
Calm down and have a brew, kidder. I told thee you should use your gumption. You dig down before you build up. Blooming cowboys, you come up here think you can throw an house up in 5 minutes. Well, you can't, you blooming udgit. If brains was bombs, you wouldn't have enough to blow your blooming cap off. It takes time, Chuck, time.
Dude, I've been such a fool, man. I wish I was as wise as you.
Sometimes we make silly things really important in our lives, like what we buy or what we wear. But to God, other things are really more important, like being kind and goodness and friendship, just like we saw with the wise builder.
Well, we're going to pray now. If you want to join in, that's fine. And if not, if you could just sit quietly, that'd be lovely. Dear God, help us to be sensible like the wise builder. Help us to trust you and build our lives on solid ground by being good and kind. Amen.
We're going to sing a song now, and it'd be lovely if you could join in with the actions with us.
Who's the king of the jungle? Who's the king of the sea? Who's the king of the universe? And who's the king of me? I tell you, J-E-S-U-S. Yes! He's the king of me. He's the king of the universe, the jungle and the sea. Bobble, bobble, bobble. Who's the king of the jungle? Who's the king of the sea? Bobble, bobble, bobble. Who's the king of the universe? And who's the king of me? I tell you, J-E-S-U-S. Yes! He's the king of me. He's the king of the universe, the jungle and the sea. Bobble, bobble, bobble. Splash!
Thanks for watching. We hope you've enjoyed it, and we hope to see you again soon.
Bye.
Bye. Goodbye.
Bye, everybody.